Good evening and happy Friday. Tonight we're going to be checking out Pinlights Pro on Foo Fighters. We have the full game integration enabled, and the Pinlights Pro auxiliary port is hooked to the Stern expression lighting system so that we can use it as an effect. This is running our latest firmware revision, so let's check it out. Already you can see the expression lights were used as an effect on the light bars. Let's give it a shot.
Complete some targets to initiate bomb upgrade. Bomb upgrade sequence initiated. To fight Overlord. Where to next?
And you can see all of the different expression lighting effects as we page through the modes. So it's really saturating the playfield with the light. How we pull this off is we have an effect trigger. When the GI lights are off, it will pipe whatever is on the expression lights through the light bars. So you can see that there. So this does require a Stern expression lighting system. Looks really good though.
Hey Seattle, the Foos are back in town, and they're putting out a serious call to all Seattle listeners. Get out and join the rock resistance. Time to let that freak flag fly. Headshot 2X. Come on, people, join us. Collect UFO bonus at the captain's ball. Join us. We have to stop the Overlord.
All the rock in the world won't stop the Overlord.
Thank you, listeners, for joining the resistance. Foos, we got your back against those spider. Left ramp is worth 2X for the remainder of the ball.
Ooh.
Not clever enough.
UFO button ready. Get the Overlord to complete combo.
Consider your
Bonus multiplier increased. Pick a destination. Roswell.
Hey, New Orleans, who's hit the stage and the quarter was on the box stand? That's a recipe for trouble. The Overlord got another thing coming.
now you're mine.
Headshot 2X.
Who that?
Magnetic abduction beam, anyone?
Taking care of business.
Your Lieutenant Dan is no match for my mighty magnetic beam.
Hit recon target.
Oh, you are quick, but now you must submit.
You all are down.
Stop this festival of noise.
Whoops.
You got the extra ball.
You'll pay for that in court.
Left ramp is worth 2x for the remainder of the game.
Austin, now go get that bot award.
Band member spotted.
New York.
Hey, New York. The Overlord said his bots swarm to reformat our city. Time to show the Overlord what rock is really made of.
UFO is a go.
Ah,
To be continued.
looks really pretty though.
One more time.
Ah.
Yo, they can't just come in here and start reformatting stuff.
Hit me up and tell us what you're seeing out there on these wild streets. This is Riot Pin Girl spinning live.
Blast those bots.
Super modulator initiated. Super spinner activated.
It's almost like you want it to.
Need to stop backhanding that.
They did it! They really did it!
Jesus.
I am. You don't think they can?
Let's move that back over a little bit.